In this video, how your clients pay your invoices by card. Funds go to your paddle seller account, not PortaFact. And this is not your PortaFact subscription payment. Good news. Online client payments work on both solo and agency. Connect your paddle seller account once in settings. Create a paddle seller account, complete verification, set up payouts, then paste the API key and client token in settings, client payments. Also add the webhook URL and paddle. In PortaFact, paste live keys, not sandbox for production, then connect. Without the webhook, the invoice may stay sent after payment. You can still mark it paid manually. Send an invoice. On the portal, your client clicks pay, pays by card, and the invoice flips to paid automatically. You get a notification. Recap. Solo or agency, paddle seller account, keys in PortaFact, webhook, client pays. Create your account at app.portafact.com.